corresponding a 3-phase 440 50 hertz induction motor run at a speed of 1440 rpm, means that is speed, you can say that better to write speed of rotor winding with respect to stator winding, that is NR is equal to 1 rpm, clear? 1440 rpm, clear? It means what is the what is the meaning of speed of rotor like 1440 rpm means, clear? Speed of rotor winding with respect to stator winding, clear? So first of all, make diagram like this one, rotor, and that is stator winding, 3-phase supply on stator, 3-phase supply on stator, and that is 50 hertz. If 3-phase supply on stator, then stator magnetic field with respect to stator winding, that is N1, this is equal to Ns, speed of stator field with respect to stator winding, Ns, this is equal to 120 F by P. 120 F is 50 hertz and P is 4 pole, that is 1500 rpm. That is 1500 rpm. Clear? That is 1500 rpm. Clear? Now, if you sit on the stator winding and see the stator field like this one, or rotate like this one, that is S1, direction of. What about rotor? Rotor run in the direction of stator magnetic field, that is NR, 440 rpm. Clear? First of all, this one is clear. Why rotor rotate corresponding this one we have already discussed in fundamental. Okay, if 3-phase supply on stator, then rotor rotate in the direction of stator magnetic field like this one, because of relative speed. What about relative speed between stator field and rotor winding, that is Ns minus Ns. Always rotor reduce the speed of relative speed means Ns minus Nr. If rotor rotate corresponding to this one, then Ns plus Nr, so relative speed increases. But our motto, according to Lenz law, relative speed decreases. So relative speed decreases in the direction of stator field if rotor rotate in the direction of stator field. We have already discussed in fundamental, though if you end out and see the fundamental of induction motor. Okay, now see here, rotor corresponding to which speed, like this one. Now we have focus on stator field, the rotor field with respect to rotor winding. What about relative speed between? You can say that relative speed between stator field and rotor winding, that is Ns minus Nr. Or you can say that speed of stator field with respect to rotor winding, that is delta N, Ns minus Nr. Clear? Okay. This one is 60 rpm, 1600. Why? If you end out, then written as 1500 minus 40, that is 60. Clear? What about slip? That is Ns minus Nr divided by Ns, that is 1500 minus, this one is 0.04. Clear? Slip is 0.04, so first one is correct. Okay, now if rotor rotate in the direction of stator field, the relative speed between stator field and rotor winding, that is 1500 rpm minus, like this one, 60. we got 60 rpm. Clear? So if rotor rotate, then induced EMF are also generated. Induced EMF in rotor winding. So frequency of in rotor, that is P upon 120 into delta n. P upon 120 delta n means ns minus nr. ns minus nr. Clear? This is also written as SNS. This is written as S. NS means 120 F by P, and that is P upon 120. Finally, we got S into F. So, speed of stator field with respect to speed of rotor field. So, speed of rotor field with respect to rotor winding, that is N is written as 120 F by P, that is F2 by P. It is also F2 is SF. It is also written as 120 F by P, that is NS. So that is NS. It means 60 rpm. Clear? Now make here speed of S2, speed of rotor magnetic field with respect to rotor winding, that is SNS. Of course, that is 60 rpm. Clear? Now rotor rotate corresponding to this one. Now make the linear diagram. First of all, make the linear diagram. If any doubt, make the linear diagram. That is stator, that is A, sit on the stator, and that is rotor. Okay, and this one is a FC on the stator field with respect to stator winding, that is NS, that is 1500 rpm. Clear? That is 1500 rpm. Any doubt? N1 rotate with respect stator field with respect to stator winding, that is 1500 rpm. Now, and this one is also rotate NR. What about NR? The rotor speed of rotor winding with respect to stator winding, that is NR. Which speed? That is rpm. Clear? 1440 rpm. Clear? Now what about speed of stator field, rotor field with respect to rotor winding S2, that is SNS. Which speed? 1660 rpm. Clear? Rotor field with respect to rotor winding, like this one. Clear? Now what about speed of rotor winding? What about speed of rotor field with respect to stator winding? We are focused on this one, S2. Clear? What about S2? S2 is written as, if you sit on the rotor, if you sit on the stator, you see the rotor magnetic field with respect to stator winding. Speed of rotor winding plus speed of rotor field with respect to rotor winding, that is NR plus SNS. Clear? So if any doubt, so written as speed of rotor field with respect to stator winding, that is NR plus NS, SNS. What about NR? NR is 1440 rpm plus 60. Finally we got 1500 rpm. Clear? Okay. If any doubt, you have considered a, this one is a train, this one is train corresponding to a speed 1440, or you consider that is NR, rotating in the direction of like this one, and a small child running on the train with speed SNS. So if you sit on this one, suppose that this one is a stator, this one is a rotor, and this one is a stator. You sit on the stator like platform, you see the boy, little boy corresponding to this one. If you sit on this one and see the little boy running with respect to stator field, or you with respect to platform, which speed NR plus SNS. Okay, so that's why written is like this one. Okay, you can say that is speed of rotor field. This one is the rotor field with respect to stator winding, that is 1500 rpm. It means according to part 2, its rotor field rotate at 60 rpm with respect to rotor. Now first one, rotor field. If you sit on rotor, means rotor winding. Clear? Rotor winding. You sit on the rotor winding and see rotor field. First of all, it is clear. If you sit on rotor winding, this one is a rotor winding, and see the rotor field like 60 rpm. Clear? It means B option is correct. So second option is correct. Clear? Which is speed 60 rpm, rotor field like this one. If in doubt, with respect, if written is with respect, means that is rotor. Sit on rotor and see the rotor field with respect to rotor field. This one is a rotor field, and you have sit on this one. This speed is rotor field with respect to rotor winding. So second option is correct. Now third, its rotor field rotate at 60 rpm with respect to stator field. No. Why? Rotor field and stator with respect to stator winding. If you sit on the stator field and see the rotor field. Okay, this one is a stator field, that is 1500 rpm with respect to stator structure. Clear? Stator field with respect to stator structure, that is 1500 rpm. Now rotor field with respect to stator structure, this is also 1500 rpm. Okay, if you sit on the stator field, see rotor field. If you see rotor field, both are same speed. So relative speed between and direction, direction and magnitude are same. So you can say that both are stationary, or you can say that is synchronism. It means relative speed between stator field and rotor field, that is 0. Okay, if written is 0, then it is right, but it is here written is 60, that's why it is wrong. Okay, clear? Now fourth option, its rotor run at a speed of 60 rpm with respect to stator field. Sit on stator field and see the rotor. Rotor means rotor winding. Okay, now sit on stator field like this one. You sit on stator field and see rotor winding. That is, if you stator field with rotor run at a speed of 60 rpm with respect to stator field. Okay, which is speed NR minus NS, that is 60 minus 60 rpm. If you see on the stator, if you see on the you sit on the stator field and see the rotor winding corresponding to this one. This one is a 1500 rpm, and this one there is 1440 rpm. Clear? So that is 60 rpm. Clear? If any doubt, then written as rotor field with respect to rotor winding with respect to stator field NR minus sit and look this one. So nr minus ns, this is minus 60 rpm, means relative speed. If you sit on this one and look, rotor winding, that is 60 rpm. Clear? Okay, so fourth one is correct. Now last one, its rotor field rotate at a speed of 1500 rpm with respect to stator. Rotor field, already I have discussed. Rotor field with respect to stator winding, that is 1500 rpm. Fifth is also correct. So which one is correct? 1, 2, 4, 5 are correct option. Okay, make it. Or you can say that if you see stator, see rotor field. If you stator field, if you sit on stator field, rotor field S2 look like 1500 rpm. Clear? And if you sit on rotor, see rotor field, that is 60 rpm. Clear? Corresponding to second part, rotor field rotate with respect to like this one, second. And fourth one, its rotate run at a speed of 60 rpm with respect to stator field, that is like this one. If you represent direction also, so you can say that this one like this one. Okay, and fifth one, its rotor field rotate at a speed of 1500 rpm. It is also make like this one. So make it.